Alright, here we are on day, let's see, yesterday was 13, so today is day 14. Let's find number 14. It is way up here. Okay. Rip that open. Sorry, headphone users, as usual. And we have... Oh, maybe gifts? I don't know. What the heck is that? Well, let's go ahead and build it. Put this over here. Rip this open down here. There we go. Alright, so we've got a pile of exceedingly random looking parts. So let's start with the easy one, which is this blue cylinder with the white cap on top, and then a blue square bit. Just because I'm a little OCD, we'll line up the corners with the studs just like that. Alright, so there's that. Now, let's actually focus the camera. There we go. Sorry about that. Next one, we're going to take this green 2x3 plate, put these little angle bits on like so. Then we need an orange 1x2 plate to go in there. And then the orange center stud plate or whatever it's called there. And then an orange square, which the instructions very specifically show being put in an angle, just like that. And the last one is going to be this white 1x2 plate with the 1x1 brick there, a little angly bit there, a red stud there. Let's straighten those out, there we go, and then a white smooth stud on top of that. Then we have a couple of random, oops, bye bye Lego. Oh, that went really far away. Oh well. Well, that's an odd day, number 14. I'm assuming these are gifts. If you have any ideas on what these might be, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. If you'd like to learn a little bit about what this weird thing is, which just turned itself on without me wanting it to, go ahead and click here. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist, and right here is the link to Patreon that you can use to help support the things I do on this channel. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow.